Yo, what's up guys? This is Brian from J&P Cycles. Today we're going to take off this new GXSR 1000 exhaust, this cannon of an exhaust, and replace it with two slip-ons. We have a Yoshimura and an Akrapovic Slip-on. Now we already went ahead and installed these once already, so take a look at this and how easy it is to install. It only took us a few minutes to put each one on. I would say probably less than 10. Very minimal tools, very minimal effort, and it really is an easy and clean process, so it's something you could do in your own garage. What we really like about both of these exhausts is the Akrapovic is a full titanium body with a carbon fiber wrap and end cap, really pretty, clean lines. The Yoshimura is an aluminum exhaust with carbon fiber end cap and a carbon fiber heat shield. The Yoshimura is really cool because it does make a very compact design. It frees up that rear end of that motorcycle quite a bit. Now let's take a look on how these look compared to stock. We're going to start with the Akrapovic. I'm going to show you the stock exhaust and then the Akrapovic slip-on. What'd you think? Now let's take a look at that stock exhaust again and the Yoshimura slip-on. So as you can see, there's some pretty big changes. Not only is there a change in aesthetics, but you'll also notice a change in weight because this thing, it's pretty heavy. You'll get a good workout in. Both of these are substantially lighter than the stock exhaust, are going to sound way better and look much, much better. Check these exhausts out, plus everything else we have to offer at jpcycles.com, and thanks for watching.